I know a lot of you are trying to find a way to get CapCut Pro without paying for it. I've got an easy trick that can help you export Pro features for free. Stay tuned. Because I also have a secret method to get Pro, but I'll be honest, it's a bit sketchy, so let's get into the video.
So let's begin. Get your video ready. Then create a compound clip. Then add motion blur to the clip. Then reduce it 0. Wait for it to process. The longer the video, the longer it takes. Then on your keyboard type.
After imputing that open app data,
then look for the CapCut folder.
Hold up, remember when I said I had a secret method to go pro? So my team figured out a way to bypass the Pro export limitations without having to do any of this tricks I'm showing. I could have put it on YouTube, but I didn't want to risk any legal issues with CapCut, so I dropped the bypass on my Telegram channel instead. The link's in the description if you want to check it out. So after you found the CapCut folder,
then click User Data, then go to Cache. Then look for Motion Blur Cache. Then find your video and then import it in CapCut. Then delete the old video, then export the new video. As you can see, it exported without asking to pay for Pro.
Thanks for watching. If you learned something today, hit that like button. More fire tutorial dropping soon, so don't sleep on that subscribe. Catch you in the next one.